What's up YouTubers, this is Chetan here and welcome to my channel Nature Design. And yes, this is the jar which I am going to use for today's build. Just a few days ago my sister was telling me that she had a jar and she wanted to make a terrarium. But she was not having all those fancy things like Lika clay balls and all those. So I decided to make a very simple terrarium for the beginners with minimum things required. I mean to say, we are going to use the ingredients which are easily available to each and every person. So let's get started. So for the false bottom, I'm going to use this crushed rock, and I have also mixed up some charcoal in it. The charcoal is also optional. If in case you want to use it, you can use it, or else you can just skip the charcoal part. And the rocks which I am using are easily available in the garden area, or you can just search it in the construction site nearby you. Next thing we need is the mosquito mesh, but as I said, I'm going to create it, and I've already created one of this mesh also before in my videos, but I'm going to show you how to make it again. You just need to have a plastic paper like this. It should be thick enough, and you just need to keep it on the top of the bottle and start pricking holes in it with the help of toothpick. And when there are enough of holes in the plastic paper, you need to cut it into the size of the jar. As I've cut this one, I'm just placing it inside. Actually, the mesh is just a barrier between the substrate and the false bottom. Next thing is the substrate, and I've kept it very simple. I've just mixed up coco peat along with sand or soil. The coco peat is easily available everywhere online or in the nursery shop nearby you. And even if you don't have coco peat, you can just peel off the outer covering of dried coconut and you can just grind it in a mixer grinder. And this is how you can make coco peat at home if you are not able to get it anywhere. And for the hardscape, I'm going to use these rocks. These rocks I have collected from the seashore. I'll be surely placing the video of how to collect and get free hardscape rocks from the various places, and I will be placing the link to this video just below in the description. And for the plantation, I have kept it very simple and easily available plant, that is money plant. This is photos. Usually it is called money plant in India and photos in US. So this is an easily available plant. I just took my time to place the plant in the right position, and further I also added some hardscape rocks. And you might be thinking that I have forgotten something, that is springtails, but even those things are also optional. If you are not able to get springtails anywhere, you can just go ahead and just skip the springtail part. And as of now, the plant is properly set and it has been placed in the right position. Now I am hydrating the terrarium, and as it will be a closed terrarium, we don't have to put plenty of water in it. What I want to say is that we just need to wet the substrate and nothing else. Now I am cleaning the jar from outside and as well as from inside. So that's it guys, this is the world's easiest terrarium ever made, and even anyone can make it. And the materials which are used, or the ingredients which are used in making this, is very easily available in the market. So go ahead guys, go ahead and make a terrarium for yourself, and please let me know in the comment box what do you think about it. And if you have any kind of questions regarding the terrarium, you can go ahead and ask me in the comment box, and I'll surely reply to you. So keep in touch guys, because there are plenty of new videos coming up in the future, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today, see you next week, bye bye, and